In this section of the video, I shall discuss Thevenin theorem. This video lecture is important video lecture for those students who are studying electrical technology. What is a Thevenin theorem? We have Thevenin theorem gives the mathematical solution of large number of voltage sources by a single voltage source, that is called VTH. This is called open circuit voltage along with a series resistance RTH. Whole resistances, we replace the whole resistance by RTH and whole voltage source by VTH. This is called VTH is called open circuit voltage. RTH is called the Thevenin resistance as viewed from the load. How to Thevenize a network? Let us take, we have a large number of voltage sources. First of all, remove load resistance where current is to be required. Current is required. Secondly, calculate open circuit voltage where load is removed, where load resistance is removed. Load resistance is removed. Third part, calculate RTH by short circuiting the voltage source, or all the voltage sources are replaced by their internal resistance and current sources by short circuiting, open circuit current sources by open circuit. We have to, if there are current sources, to calculate the RTH, we open circuit the current source. Next, we connect the load resistance. Connect the load resistance and we calculate the current by this formula. Current is equal to VTH divided by RTH plus this is the load resistance R. These are the step involves. Fourth step involves to find the current through given resistance with the help of Thevenin theorem. Okay, we go for the solution of certain question, how to Thevenize network. We have a question like this: Thevenize the network. Here the 15 volt supply, positive, this is negative. 15 volt supply. Here the resistance of 8 ohm is connected. This is 4 ohm resistor. And here is the another voltage source. This is positive, this is negative, of 10 volt. Here is the terminal. This is AB, where we have to find the value of VTH and RTH. This is the question we have. First of all, we calculate the current using Kirchhoff law. Current can be calculated negative to positive. This is the direction of current. Negative to positive, positive 15, positive, negative 10 is equal to 4I plus 8I. Okay, 5 equal to 12 by value of I equal to 5 by 12 ampere. Next part we calculate, we use the, this is the direction of current here in this direction. Next we use the Kirchhoff law in this direction. Negative to positive, positive. Second loop we have 10 volt is equal to minus I into 4. Direction of current is downward. We are taking the loop upward plus VAB. This is VAB. Now 10 plus 4I equal to VAB. We substitute the value of here I, 4 into I, 5 by 12 is equal to VAB. So value of VAB 3. This is 30 plus 5. 35 divided by 3 volt is the VAB. Value of VAB we got. Now we have to calculate RTH. How to calculate RTH? We replace the voltage source by short circuiting it, and this is the resistance. Another resistance we have 4 ohm. This is 8 ohm. We see the network. This is AB. We calculate resistance from this side. So 8 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel. RTH is equal to 8 into 4 divided by 12. This is 3. RTH is equal to 8 by 3 ohm. Now whole network we, this is positive, this is negative. VTS we got, that is equal to 35 by 3, and here is the series resistance RTH 8 by 3 ohm, and here is AB. This is the Thevenin's circuit. Okay, we have another question regarding Thevenin theorem. Numerical question we do. Calculate the current through 4 ohm resistances. 4 ohm resistance here. Calculate the current through 4 ohm resistance. This is the question we have. Here is the voltage source. 12 volt is connected. This is the resistance of 3 ohm, 6 ohm. Here it 4 ohm. This is 2 ohm resistor. Here is the current source of 10 ampere. Question is that first Theveninize the network and find the current through 4 ohm resistor. First of all, we try to calculate the voltage. First we remove the load first. We remove the load first. 3 ohm. This is 6 ohm. 12 volt. Let us take, we mark A and B. This is the resistance we have 2 ohm, and here is the current source of 10 ampere. Next, this is positive, this is negative. We try to calculate the voltage. First, we calculate the voltage across. We convert the current source by voltage source. Next step, current source. We use series resistance in series with the voltage source. It becomes next V equal to 10 into 2, 20 volt. This is 20 volt. 2 and this is 20. Here positive, this is negative 12 volt. 3 ohm, 6 ohm. We use the Kirchhoff current law, voltage law, to find the voltage across 6 ohm resistor first. I equal to, calculate 12 divided by 9. This is 4 by 3 ampere. Now V 6 ohm is equal to 4 by 3 into current into resistance. 6 ohm resistance is connected. This is to 8 volt. Now we have to calculate the voltage across AB, that is the VTH. VTH is equal to 20 minus 8, that is equal to 12 volt, or VBA equal to 12 volt. Next we calculate the resistance. VTH is equal to, this is 12 volt. We calculate the resistance of the network by short circuiting the voltage source and open circuiting the current source. 3 ohm, 6 ohm, and this load we have removed. This is 2 ohm, this is terminal A and this is terminal B. 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel along with the 2 ohm resistor, like this. 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is the 2 ohm AB. Now we calculate the resistance. This is 3 RTH is equal to 3 into 6 divided by 9 plus 2. 3, this is 2. Now RTH is equal to, we write 4 ohm. RTH we got, the value of RTH 4 ohm. Now we write like this: negative, this is positive. This is the RTH 4 ohm and this is the load. We connect the load now. Since voltage is 12 volt from B to A, so we write like this: this is A and this is B, here B, and this is the resistance of 4 ohm. We connect the resistance of 4 ohm here, and this is 12. The current through the load I equal to 12 divided by 4 plus 4. I equal to, we write this is 12 by 8 or 3 by 2 or 1.5 ampere, and this is the current through the load, 1.5 ampere. With that we come to end of this session. If you like my videos and if these videos help you in improving your electrical technology, please subscribe my channel.